How to create reverse video smoothly. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to create a smooth reverse effect. First, click and drag here to make track bigger. Right-click on this small effect button and select time remapping and select speed, so Premiere shows speed ramp instead of opacity. Use pen tool and add an anchor point at the middle of clip. Now use selection tool and drag the right part of the point all the way down to 1%. Drag the left handle all the way to the left and the right handle a little bit to the right. My choice is a little bit before the big trees. Now add a cut at this point with razor tool and delete the rest of the clip. Now use Alt plus scroll to zoom in, then right-click on your clip and select time interpolation, optical flow. Then press enter to render the clip. Now we have nice smooth clip. It's time to make the reverse clip. Use Alt and drag the clip and drop it to create a copy. Right-click on new clip and select speed/duration. Make sure reverse speed is checked and click OK. At last, select the new clip and press enter to render it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.